to do these cherry skulls. I saw a picture on Pinterest that had cherry skulls and I was like, I want to try to do that. So I did my black eyeliner off camera and then just took a beauty wipe and wiped it off. And then for these skulls themselves, I just went in and made some circles, slowly making it bigger. I then drew a square on the bottom for the jaw area and then had to go back in and really round out the top of the head. For the second one, I did the same exact process, except I did it up a little bit higher because I wanted them at different angles. Then I took a tiny brush and a water-activated black eyeliner and traced around them. The middle part was the most difficult part because I had to create the shape of it, but other than that, just tracing around them as tiny as you can get. For the jaw to create teeth, I drew these 3 little lines in between. Again, recreating the same exact process on the other side. For the eyes, I just started out by dotting very small and just blending it a little bit bigger. They're definitely not even, but it was okay. And I did the same thing for the other side. For the nose, I drew a little triangle, almost like you would for a jack-o'-lantern. Now for the stems, I was going to do them black, but then they completely blend in, so I ended up doing this green color. I just drew straight lines, meeting them together, and then I drew these little like half ovals that connected to be the leaves. Going back in with that small brush, I'm going to trace the outline of the stem and the leaves. Then the eyeliner itself needed fixed, so I made sure that that blended into the outline. Taking another small brush, I'm dipping into a white water-activated liner and drawing some highlights, and before it dried, I used my finger to kind of blend it into the rest of the look so the lines weren't as harsh as they were showing to be. But yeah, that is the completed look. I'm still learning how to work with drawing things on my face and like face paints and whatnot. So it didn't turn out exactly how I hoped, but I don't hate it. I also put on a lash that has a little red with it to make it pop a little bit more. I'm obsessed with these lashes that have colors on them. They're so fun. But yeah, that is the completed look. If y'all try this, tag me, let me know, because I feel like it was a lot easier than it could have been. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Bye!